Everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Food and Life with JT. Here we share simple food, simple recipe, real stories, and life lessons you can actually feel. Let's go. Today I'll be cooking porridge, cornmeal and peanut porridge. So into the blender I have a cup of cornmeal with some water, and I am adding raw peanuts to the cornmeal. I also went ahead and add some nutmeg to the raw cornmeal and peanuts, and I'm gonna blend everything together. While blending the peanut and oats, the pot was on the stove boiling with cinnamon leaves. Make sure your water is boiled before you add your blended products. To avoid this from lumping, what you have to do while pouring the mixture into the pot, you stir at the same time. I made the mistake not to stir at the same time, hence I end up with a little lump, and I have to keep on mixing to get out the lump so it can be smooth. Now that the porridge is smooth, I go ahead and add my vanilla and sugar. Add sugar to taste. You can also add your condensed or buttermilk, whichever you choose. But I will be using dry milk, and I won't be adding it while boiling the porridge. I will add it after the porridge has been cooked. But you can do it whichever way you like, your choice. Here is the finished product of my cornmeal and peanut porridge.